of the shower. And now we have this. And since this is realistic vlogging, break time. How I've been tackling this is sections at a time, and since they're already divided according to the design, hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you guys, sharing with you guys, how I clean my shower walls and organize my shower with my hygiene products. Now, if this scenery is looking familiar, it is because I also released a video in which I clean my shower floor, which will either be up before this one or up after this video. So I'm going to show you guys the most effective way to clean a shower wall and the most effective way that works for me to organize my hygiene products within the shower that I'm currently using. For those of you that are already a part of the squad, I'd like to thank you very much. However, if you are not, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. So before we begin, I'm going to start by taking these items out of the shower. And now we have this. So I have Fabuloso that I'm going to start with. I already have my little spray bottle to work with. And for those hard to scrub areas, which by cleaning cloth, in the event that that takes place, I have my Lysol wipes to take care of everything. So let's get started. So what I decided to do is clean the shower walls according to their sections and shapes and designs. I'm also getting that too. So where you guys see the lines and indentations in those square and rectangular shapes, I decided to use that method by cleaning my shower walls by those sections that were already made into the design. I also decided to clean around the shower shelves, shower caddies they call them. I got these from Amazon. There is a link in the description or either in the comment section if you'd like to purchase these. I am an Amazon affiliate, so at no extra cost to you, no cost at all, you could go ahead and purchase through that link, and I may earn a commission, just to let you guys know. If you do, thank you in advance. Appreciate it. And since this is realistic vlogging, break time. Be brave over here. Back to work. And also, I like to get into those crevices a little bit outside of the shower, and that is me coming up from cleaning the lower regions. Why my face looks so mad? Y'all have to excuse me. My face look crazy when I be really focused on something. And now I'm here at the front end, I believe, and I'm going here on the sides, getting into that section as well. And I also decided to just pace myself and really take my time with this because I didn't want to miss a spot. Break number 2, and I'm going to change my washcloth. For this last part, we use this. I like to dilute my Fabulosos, and I'll just use the rest of the water for this. How I've been tackling this is sections at a time, and since they're already divided according to the design of the shower wall, it makes it easier to go by section, and even here too. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't do the shower floor, that's because I have a separate video for that. Got it taken care of for you. And I proceeded here to take care of the top section of this shower wall, and it may not look like it right now, but this is the back section of the shower that I'm taking care of. And I'm also taking time to scrub just the section here that you see just outside the shower. Last section. Want to make sure you're working in a very well ventilated area too. Very well ventilated. So if you have to keep your bathroom door open when you do this, or open a window, do that. We're brave over here, but we're smart, you know. Cautious, safety first. Good as new. Including the shower floor. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I clean my shower walls and organize my shower with my hygiene products. As you can see, I's tied, boss. And until next time, and until the next video,